Welcome to part 1 of this 4-part series on the Zoom H6 audio recorder. In this 4-part series, you will learn about the basics of the Zoom, including different accessories that come with it, functions, properly using the Zoom with the camera, and the differences in sound with and without the Zoom. This audio recorder is about the weight of a brick and about the length of an iPhone. Some of the accessories that come equipped with the Zoom are 2 interchangeable microphones, the XY mic and the mid-side mic, for producing only the best audio for your next video. Another accessory that comes with the Zoom is a wind jammer to slip onto any microphone to block out wind sounds. And lastly, an USB cord is placed inside your Zoom for charging. In part 2, we will learn about the basics of the Zoom, including maintenance, storage, and of course, function. Welcome back to part 2 of this 4-part series about the Zoom H6 audio recorder. This video will show you the basics of the Zoom, including the functions, different audio levels, and of course, storage and proper maintenance. So, let's get started. The Zoom H6 audio recorder comes equipped with 4 different XLR imports, making it exceptionally versatile for quality sound. You can program each XLR channel above the Zoom screen with its corresponding size and number. On the side of the Zoom, you can locate the SD card port. The Zoom can record onto any SD card up to 128 gigabytes, flexible for all uses. But of course, you won't have any problems closing it like I did. The Zoom comes with 2 interchangeable microphones, the XY mic and the mid-side mic. When placing any mic onto the Zoom, simply hold down the 2 buttons on the side and connect either mic with the Zoom. To take off, simply push the buttons again and pull. To connect the Zoom with your camera, you will need any auxiliary cord. You can find them at any Walmart or major electronics store. In part 3, we will go over the proper way to connect and disconnect the Zoom from your camera and how to officially use the Zoom when recording. Thanks for watching! Welcome back to part 3 of this 4-part series about the Zoom H6 audio recorder. This video will show you how to properly connect and disconnect the Zoom to your camera and how to officially use the Zoom when recording. As explained in the last video, you will need an auxiliary cord to connect the Zoom to any camera. The camera that I am using is the Canon Rebel SL1, which comes equipped with an 18 to 55mm lens and different photo settings for quality photos and video. On the side of the camera is where you can find the cord plug-in for mics, HDMI cords, and other plugins. Plug in your auxiliary cord into the plug-in labeled mic to connect the Zoom to your camera. To connect the auxiliary cord to the Zoom, place one end of the cord into the plug-in labeled line out on the bottom of the Zoom. Then proceed to connect the cord into your camera. Your setup before recording should look like this. To start recording on the Zoom, you will need to make sure that you have selected the right channel to record. To do that, simply press the appropriate channel number and size. Now, all that's left to do is to press the record button. To stop recording, press the record button again. Part 4 will show you the difference in audio using the Zoom and without using the Zoom. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so for this audio recorder test, I decided to try something different and show you 2 TikToks that I thought were pretty funny. So this first TikTok will be the TikTok without using the Zoom, and the second TikTok that you see will be the TikTok with me using the Zoom. So here we go.
Where's my drink?
What drink?
My drink? My Diet Dr. Kelp? Don't tell me you forgot my drink!
But you didn't order any.
How am I supposed to eat this pizza without my drink? Didn't you ever once think of the customer? You call yourself a delivery boy? Well, I ain't buying! Sponge? Sponge? It's okay. Sponge? Another one? Look, I told you, little friend, I ain't paying for that. Well, this one's on the...
Okay, so Mama, I cleaned my room, I cleaned my bathroom, I cleaned the guest bathroom, I did all my homework, I washed dishes, and I folded all my clothes. I already cut the grass and the neighbor's grass. Yeah. What do you want? To go to the movies with my friend. There's a dish in my sink. Okay, so when I'm done, can I go? Where did you put the lawnmower? In the garage? You are not about to have my garage smell like gasoline. Go put it in the shed. Mama, we don't have a shed. Go make me one. Oh my God! And then you can come back and wash this coffee cup. And that spoon.